SEMI is, I would say, the industry association for semiconductors. When I say that, I mean the whole supply chain and globally. In Europe, we host the Secretariat for Practical Skills, and we also coordinate the METIS project, and we will coordinate the project with the Chip Skills Academy. So we really try to bring together a whole ecosystem around the skills of microelectronics. Our members, of course, are the industrial players, and the practical skills of these projects, we try to connect them to academia, to bed providers, but also to other players in the sphere of skills development for microelectronics. Well, I think I would rephrase the question a little bit in the sense that, how do you, what is the purpose? So I think, it's when you talk about a job and you talk about maybe something you're passionate about, you should be talking about a purpose. And I think it's something we don't often talk about in our industries that is actually very purposeful. So chips are at the core of solving the climate challenge. Chips are at the core of, were at the core of solving COVID. So developing vaccines and very rapidly, for instance, sequencing genes. All this would have been impossible without microelectronics. I think it's this kind of, it's an industry that's perceived as something very, very technical, very, very conservative on the one hand as well, and not so, sexy like software engineering or app development, etc. But at the same time, it's very digital, but it also offers the purpose of, contributing to solving the climate challenge and a lot of the grand challenges that we face with regards to. And that's, I think we should talk about the purpose much more than the advantages of, working in the sector. I would say absolutely, because, something that our member companies always say is that they all fish in the same pot. So at the end, the talent pool is rather small. We already don't have enough people for our fabs. So there, I would say, is a need for collaboration of the companies to develop more talent and develop the skills in Europe. And every company, is already doing things on their own, but I think it's proven that we haven't solved the issue. I think it needs collaborative efforts to really boost the talent skills. Yeah, internally we sometimes finally talk about METIS 2.0, but I think that's, having said that, it really goes beyond METIS. So I think two things we want to do with this project is, one thing is we want to build on METIS and build a truly functional and European online learning platform for the sector. In METIS we developed a few courses, which I think is a great start, and on that we want to build, and we also really want to develop a platform as such.